Welcome to the Bassin Squad. Let's go!
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining.
Go check out my channel. It is PB Bassin Vlogs. This is a group channel, so you check out my channel. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Is this a member of the Bassin Squad?
Oh yeah, boy!
What's your channel name?
My channel name is AnTon Vlogs. Go check it out.
Got a guy over here too. Well, what's your channel name?
ELP Vlogs. Go
All right.
check it up on YouTube.
All right, and then we got one other member of the squad over here, who's mainly the camera person, but is also in on a lot of the challenge videos. What is your channel called?
ELP Fam. Go check it out.
ELP Fam?
Yep.
That's pretty neat. All right, should we get into today's challenge?
Yeah, let's do it!
Let's do it! That's how this challenge works. So we got AnTon and PL Vlogs over there, and my sister ELP Fam over there. She's taking photos. This is how this is gonna work. Those two are gonna face off, and he gets 2 tries to kick the football through this field goal post, and so does he. And if he misses these 2 shots and he makes it on the first shot, he automatically loses and faces off against me. Alright, PL Vlogs, you're up. And that's a miss for PL Vlogs' second. And it's no good. AnTon will step up to the plate now, and he has 2 tries at 10 yards. If he makes the first kick, he will automatically face off against me. Righty, here we go. AnTon's first attempt, 10 yards.
Miss.
Oh, and is that a miss?
That was a miss.
Oh, well, he's got 1 more attempt left, so we'll see if he can make it. Alrighty, here we go. AnTon for his second attempt. Here we go, here we go.
This is going in. Look at that
Straight up the gut. Well, folks, that means that your boy, AnTon Vlogs, will face up against me, and he's not a kicker. So all 3 of us are in football, which would be PL Vlogs. He is a lineman, correct?
Tackle.
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 I am a field goal kicker, and your boy, AnTon,
Tight end.
good old-fashioned tight end. So you can see that there is some competition going on.
Yeah.
Obviously my sister doesn't play football. That's why she is going to face off in the end of this challenge.
Micro.
Basically, whoever wins out of all the challenges that we're going to do for this football kicking competition will have to face off against my sister, which is the 4th member of this squad.
In a micro bluegill
Yes,
catch.
yes, you said it. Micro fishing contest, smallest fish wins.
Stealing your thunder.
So now, let's go.
I don't know.
Who's gonna win?
It depends. Who's better?
Your boy.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the jeweler, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy. What?
I'm the winner!
He's the winner, bro.
No! Sudden death again!
Overtime.
I'm jogging out. If he makes this kick, he will become the first champion of the first challenge today.
It's good! It's good!
And he beat me.
It's good! Let's go! Let's go!
See, this is why it's called the Bassin Squad. Because we all are out here challenging each other and having a great old time.
That was terrible.
And just to let you folks know that that's his only second time of beating me in a kicking challenge. He has yet to beat me quite yet. But the next challenge is a catching challenge. Let's go.
Let's go.
Me gusta el acento de la colombiana, como me ve el culo la dominicana, lo rico que me chinga la venezolana. Andamos activos, perico pim pim, billetes de 100 en el maletín, que retumbe el bajo y Valentín, yeah. Aquí prohibido mal, dile charitín, que per pico le tengo claritín. Yo llego a la disco y se fue en el motín.
Diamond District in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang, 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 gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? I need the dollars to just beat it up like piñata. Tell the job to close the curtains. That bitch make you nervous.
Como Celia Cruz tengo el azúcar.
Ah! Hey, look at me. Good race, my man. Good race. That means a contest against you. Well, are you a little scared to be in this challenge with your brother? Me? Do you think you're gonna win? You never know. Anyways, guys, make sure you please go subscribe to her channel. It's ELP Fam. Make sure you go check that out. She has a couple videos on there, but she'll be starting her vlogs soon. So yeah, let's go straight to the challenge.
I said I like it like that.